Hi, so this is my robot, pesticide robot. So this is for deliverable 4. The distance sensor, the robot will have a certain distance at 30 centimeters. If it's less than 30 centimeters, it detects for plant. The plant goes to the pesticide sensor or um, the infrared sensor. If it detects more than if the threshold's more than 500, then vertical arm will come out, the horizontal arm will come up, and the water pump will turn on, and the pesticides will be given to the plants. Otherwise, it just continues to the next plant. So right here we have my code. So my code, right here we have the servo library because we have two servos here. These are the obviously the trig pin for different so right here we have the ultrasonic sensor pins, the infrared, and then both servo motors, and then the water pump, and then right here we have the variables, distance, servo objects. Battery level is at 100. Um, Otherwise, it checks the battery every 5 seconds here. And then it initializes the serial communication simulation through Bluetooth here. And then we initialize the pins for the ultrasonic. Same thing with infrared, vertical, horizontal servos in the water pump. And then we ensure the water pump is off here, and the initial positions for the servos are 90 degrees both. And then the robot initialized and is ready to go. So right here we have the loop. Basically, it reminds me every 5 seconds right here. But this also shows that the battery is draining. Um, and if the battery is less than 20%, then the battery says it's low. If it's equal to 0, the battery is depleted and it shuts down. Here we have the obstacle distance. It gets distance from 0 to 30 centimeters. If it is, the plant is detected. And then the infrared sensor threshold, if it equals 500, um, it values that the pest is detected, um, applies the pesticide basically, so no pest detected, it continues to the next plant, moves forward. And here we have the communications where the stats of the battery level, battery percentage, relayed by a 50 half a millisecond, and then we have we get the distance. Basically, it triggers the duration. Basically, so the pulse is high, so every 30 minutes it will die or shut off. The duration, of course, the distance here, turn distance. We adjust the position. So depending on where the plant is, it will map to the different angles of the servo motors, and then we've the vertical is set to the angle is set to. Same thing with the horizontal, and then we apply the pesticide. We turn off the pesticide here, but right here it will spray for 2 seconds, and then it will shut off, and then the arms will retract. The vertical servos go back to 90 degrees, and all motors are stopped. All motors are stopped printed, and this moves forward, and then it stops movement. Thank you.